everyone, my name is Yedukondala Reddy Thontla. I am working as a Java full stack developer. Currently, I am working on DNA application. I am going to explain my project, movie management system, developed using for this concept. So I am using Spring Boot and Spring Data JPA and MySQL. The main objective of the project is to manage movie information. So users can add movies, view movie details, update movie rating and delete movies and search movies based on generic. This project follows a layered architecture. So we know one thing, whenever we start any project, we are creating packages and everything. So that I used controller and service layer, repository layer, entity layer, database layer I will use. So first of all, before starting, what is entity? Now we will start through the code. So first create the project. Create the project. Here what is your project name? Just write on your project name. Movie management. Movie management system, and then our type, project type Maven, and Java version 17th, and packaging jar, and language. Here this is language, so Java language, and whatever you want, group like packages. I want to write movie, and here package name, give the package name com.movie, and then click the next button, and now we will add whatever we need dependencies. Just add search and add it. Spring Web, Spring Web. Here I want to just whatever I need, just add the dependencies. Whatever I need, just add that dependencies. Now if you want any whatever your project, based on your project, whatever you need, just add what you need dependencies. So next one, Spring Data JPA. Spring Data JPA, and we need Lombok. What is the uses of these dependencies? I will explain later. And SQL driver, MySQL driver, and yeah, as of now these four are enough for me. Click the next button. Okay, finish. Now it will take some time. After created the project, just go go to the pom.xml and what we added before, every dependencies add or not, just while once check. So whatever I added, Spring Data JPA and web, as well as connector and Lombok, everything added, so it's okay. Next we go to the src main resource and application properties. Here we mention whatever our database details, just add here, we will add here. Then now this is our main application, main movie management system. So now I want to one entity class, just create the package com.movie.entity. So always package names, or whenever we create the packages, we are mention capital letters only. So inside of the package I'll create one class. So my class name is movie. So then finish. So here, look at here. So my package name is com.movie.entity and movie is my normal class name is movie. So that here, what is the uses of entity? Here entity is like this is map Java objects. Our entity class maps Java objects to database table annotations. So this is generally it's simply called like entity is maps our Java objects to database tables. Now I want to take a few my classes names, like I want to one ID, like whatever we add so many movies, so that numbers I want. So I want to add private long ID. So next private string generic, string movie name, and private double rating movie name. Okay, for the generic I want to take string generic. Generic, and now I want to take double because rating purpose. Whatever I mentioned the movie, in the movie how movie goes. So for that I want to take rating. So here as of now it's enough for me. So I want to add annotation like ID and generated generated value here, generated value strategy, strategy equal to generation type. Now generation type is always whatever you need, just choose that one. So here id, import id, and here I want to entity. This is my class name is movie, so this is convert into entity in the database, so that I mention entity. Okay, and I already before I add set Lombok, so that I need to setter and getter. Setter @ getter and nor constructor and all are constructor. So now look at carefully, import setter and import the getter as well as entity also import. Okay, and we have table name. If in case you don't like this name, class name, so you will mention it another name. It's this is also possible. For that I want to take table name, just write the name and whatever you want, like now I want to mention just movies. So this is the my entity, my table, this is my class, everything just simply. And now I want to one more package. The package name is I want movie.dto. Sorry, always we mention here only small letters. So now I want to create in DTO class. So class name is already okay, movie DTO. It's enough for me. Here whatever we mentioned before in the entity class, just copy. So id generated value, this I don't take id and generated value now, just whatever I mention names and getters, setters, this is also so setters and getters. Okay, now I want to take repository. So for that I want to create one more package, movie.repository. Okay, inside of the package I want to create movie repository. Okay, this is wait here repository always we will take like interface. Okay, why interface, everything I'll explain why this is interface. And now movie repository. Okay, so here I waited here. I want to extends here my movie repository extends data jpg extends. So once syntax error, jpa repository. So jpa repository import, here mention whatever your entity class, just mention the entity class name. Movie, my entity name is movie. Here what I took in my long, okay, my id long, so that I mention the movie repository. So I mention long. Okay, now once cursor on our class name, so import option, just click import. Then I want to one service layer. So okay, package movie.service. So inside of this service I will create one more class. This is also interface, service also interface, so that movie service. Enough. Okay, service. Okay, the service is finally okay. Convert movie repository here. Here whatever your business logic, just mention here. I want to movie onto movie. Here the movie is our class name, right? So wait, add movie interface movie service, correct, and movie DTO com.movie service. Yes, now we import the movie and movie DTO. Yes. So next add movie, whatever we add the movies, so that I add my business logic, add movie. So next I want to take movie, get movie. Card operations, add, get, deletion, updation and everything we will mention here. So few inbuilt options available in the Java, and a few methods. If you want the custom methods, just write in repository whatever reuse methods, just to put on the get movie by id. So long id. Okay, next list. So how many movies how many movies we mention, all the movies we will see at that time, it will help for us. So get all movies. Get all movies. Get all movies. Here once import the list. Here I think this is not util class. Yeah, list util, import Java util. So next list movie, get movies by generic. List movie, get movies. Get movies by generic. So string, already we mentioned in our entity class. So here, look at here once in our mention class. So here, look at here, string generic. So through the string generic, through the generic we take all those movies. Like generic means we know already, like action films or horror films, like this. So it will use for that. Easy to find which movies are running on the theaters, like genre. Okay, and update rating. After watching the movie, how was it movie? Just everyone update the rating, right? So that I mention update rating. Long id and a double rating. So naming convention also important in Java. sometimes naming convention most important, sorry. Delete movie. Okay, my business logic also completed. So here once whatever we create as of now, so everything just once explain. I'll explain. So entity class, generally entity class is map our Java objects to database. For that we use entity class. Then what we created DTO class. DTO is like it is a data transfer object. DTO means data transfer object. So use transfer data between client and server. Instead of exposing entity directly, we use DTO objects so that our data also privacy securely be insecure. Our data be insecure, so that we always in long projects in every IT field, everyone using they wants to take DTO. So now then DTO repository layer. What is the uses of repository layer? Repository layer performs data operations. So JPA repository provides built-in methods, like already we mentioned in our service layer, like save method and find by ID. Those methods already inbuilt methods. So built-in methods are available in the Java. So we are using like that purpose. And generally okay, now what we created service layer. Okay, so here look at here, this is our service layer. What is the uses of service? It is also interface. Service is also interface. So the interface defines all business operations, whatever we need the business logics. So in our business purpose of the in our business, so whatever we need, just put the business logics here. Like I want to add movie, in this is my movie is my business, just to assume that, so that in my business I add the business and get business, how to movies, how to find through the ID, and list all the movies I want to see list, so that at that time it is used, and generic like this. So whatever logic, whatever you want to logic, just mention here only in our service. So next, service implement. So I want to create one more class. One more package, service dot service dot impl. Okay, inside of the package I'll create one more class. The class name is movie service impl. Okay, yeah. So now for time taking purpose, already need import service, movie service import, auto wide import, 7 repository, not a 7 repository. So here movie repository. Okay, movie repository, import movie repository. Next movie, it is our class, this is our class movie DTO, this is also DTO. Okay, everything good. And a list also here check carefully. List where is list util. So by generic, change the generic typecast and find by generic. Okay, in our repository we mention one generic. Once open our repository, here I mention one list what our entity, just mention here movie and find generic, find generic. So what we take before, what we took before string generic. So enough. So once list is imported, okay, everything good. Then find this is also list get movies by. Yeah, now I want to one controller package. Create one package, movie controller dot com dot movie controller. So inside of the controller I will create one more class, movie controller. Okay, I want to add my database details. So save our database details, and now controller, open the controller and want to mention okay movie controller. Import the REST controller and request mapper as well as auto wide. Import the auto wide and import this office layer, post mapping, import the movie. Request body to get mapping, path variable and list. list always we import the job util. So boot mapping, request param, delete mapping. Okay, so it's good. Once run our application. So this is our database details here, database details and everything I wrote. Okay, now run our application. So once here click run our Spring Boot application. Okay, wait, we don't create the database inside of the. Okay, what we mention here, open properties, movies. Okay, movies database. Yeah, okay, create. Now once again run as configurations. Okay, Okay, where is repository? Inside our repository, here find by genre. So once go to the service implement, here also find by genre. Okay, once look at everything, save and run. Yeah, everything goes very well. So once check our Tomcat, check our port 8080. Once open the Chrome and localhost. Yeah, localhost 8080 slash what is our API movies. So it's good. Now once check our postman. Okay, here // local host slash 8080 slash movies. Okay, here once go to the body and here so first one movie name first method movie name KGF Westwood comma and genre. Okay, action so comma and last rating. So rating out of 10 8.0 double we take. So once to here check send. Yeah, here look at here 200. Okay, here everything goes good. Now once check change into get. Here already one record we had, so that check. Yeah, here also our records came, and now I get search. Already we mentioned search movie by genre, right? So that movies and genre / action. So here also getting the movie name. Okay, update now. Now put change into put. Movies. First we added only one record, so that we are giving 8.0, right? So it's good. Okay, everything goes well. Finally our project works very well. So now very well. So finally already our postman testing also completed. So finally to conclude, movie management system developed using here how to flow in our project. First whenever client gives request, the request comes to the controller, then request goes to service layer, then it will go to repository, then whatever client sends the request, that request in your database available or not, check the Java functionalities, check the Java in our database available or not, check it once, then then process will go to return, like repository, then service, then goes to the our controller layer. So request flow is like this. So yeah, that's it for this project. That's it for this project. Thank you.